Today, shiver me timbers. We trying the Nightingale ice cream sandwiches, the Cookie Monster flavor. This is what the packaging look like on the inside right here. Right here. Here goes the money shot, baby. Here's the ice cream sandwich, the Cookie Monster Nightingale ice cream sandwich. Yeah, there we go. Smells good. Let me take a bite out this bad boy. Mmm. 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 Take another bite. Mmm. 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 I had to say, the texture looks a little iffy, but man, it's decadent. The cookie is moist, sweet. The ice cream is creamy, sweet. You can taste the cookie pieces, the chocolate chip pieces. You could taste. Man, they wasn't bluffing on this one, man. I give this A+ for Nightingale ice cream sandwiches, man. Go pick one up, bro. And also, please like, share, and subscribe to Greedy Food Reviews with a Z. Greedy Food Reviews with a Z. Please like, share, and subscribe. Greedy Food Reviews with a Z. Thank you for showing up, showing out. Peace. I'm up out of here. Thanks a lot, y'all.